Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable Facebook access to photos. The first thing you do is open up your Facebook app. Now this is your Facebook app. You don't open it yet actually. From here, press down on it and it brings you to the app information menu. And from here you go to permissions and you can see camera, don't allow. Make sure it's on don't allow. You do the same thing for files and media. Tap on files and media and don't allow, and that's it. Now you can also get here through the settings menu. This is the shortest way to get here, but in case yours doesn't have this particular way, you can simply tap on settings, then you scroll down to apps, tap on apps, scroll down to Facebook. And when you get to Facebook, tap on it, and then you go to permissions, tap on it, and then make sure that there's no more permission for camera and files and media. It's as simple as that.